cheer parents, come on now. Coach PJ, I need you and your cheer girls. Coach PJ, I need you and your cheer girl. Miss Diamond.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for being here for our recognition of our 8th grade cheer dogs and our 8th grade boys basketball team. My name is Mark Webster, and I'm humbled and proud to be the principal of the best middle school in Hardin County, the one you're sitting in, Bluegrass Middle School. Would you join us as we recognize our remarkable 8th graders? First, we have on our cheerleading team, Miss Brianna Murray. Brianna is being escorted tonight by Adriana and John. She has been a cheerleader for 2 years at Bluegrass. Next fall, she'll be attending John Hardin High School. She was a member of Girls United. She's a lead back spot and a member of our center stunt group. She plans to go to college at the University of Louisville or Kentucky, majoring in nursing. And her most memorable moment is finding out she made the team with Kiara. Give it up for Brianna Murray. Next we have Miss Kiera Pryor. Kiera is being escorted by her mom, Keisha Syrie. She's been a cheerleader 2 years here at Bluegrass, and she'll be attending John Hardin High School next fall. Her accomplishments while at Bluegrass were she was in Girls United, Beta Club, Delta Gems, and she's a captain of our cheer team. She is going to be going to the University of Louisville and majoring in nursing, and her most memorable moment was last year when we won the girls basketball state championship for 8th grade. And it was so much fun team bonding on the bus, listening to music and enjoying her team. Give it up for Kiera Pryor. Next we have My Angel Turner. My Angel's being escorted by April and Keith Jones, her mom and dad. This is her first year cheering, and she'll be attending John Hardin High School next fall. Her accomplishment was getting her round off back tumbling skill and winning best jumps. She plans to go to college at the University of Louisville and to cheer on the all-world competition team, and her most memorable moment was landing her tuck on the first try and finding her best friend, Daisy. Give it up for my Angel. Next we have Miss Daisy Vessels. Daisy is being escorted by Kathy and Kenny Vessels. She's been cheering 10 years total and 2 years here at Bluegrass. She will also be attending John Hardin High School next fall. And her most memorable moments are playing the game Don't Drop the Flyer, not succeeding in the game Don't Drop the Flyer, and Coach PJ always yelling at her and my Angel. Give it up for Daisy Vessels. Next we have Miss Dakota Hernandez. Dakota's being escorted tonight by Laura Beth Pacheco, her mom, and Guillermo Hernandez, her dad. She's been cheering for 2 years, 1 year here at Bluegrass. Next fall, she'll be attending John Hardin High School. Her accomplishment that she's most proud of is being captain of the cheer team. She plans to go to the University of Louisville to be an orthodontist or to ECTC to be a beautician. Her most memorable moment was making new friends on the team and becoming the captain. Give it up for Dakota Hernandez. Next we have Heloise Quiros. Heloise is being escorted by Juan and Sonia Rosales, her mom and dad. She's been cheering at Bluegrass 3 years. Next year she'll be attending John Hardin High School in the fall. Her accomplishments are placing first place at Capos Regionals 3 years in a row, being the only 3-year veteran on the team, and being the main lead cheer caller for games. She plans to go to college at The Ohio State University to major in zoology, and her most memorable moment is being able to pin up for football game days and meeting Dakota. Give it up for Heloise. Now for our 8th grade boys basketball players. First we got number 1, Elijah Fields. Elijah is being escorted by his brothers Chance and Zeke Fields. This is Elijah's first year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he's attending John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Elijah plans to attend the University of Washington to major in political science. His most memorable moment on the team is when Coach Perry yelled at him for missing his free throws. Ladies and gentlemen, number 1, Elijah Fields. Next we have number 2, Kamorion Davis. Kamorion is being escorted by his parents, Charlotte Ferrara and Jakeem Gatewood, and his 3 brothers. This is Kamorion's 2nd year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team. Next year he will attend John Hardin High School, and upon graduating from high school, Kamorion plans to attend The Ohio State University to play football and major in fashion design. Kamorion's most memorable moment on the team was beating JTH Rice this season. Ladies and gentlemen, number 2, Kamorion Davis. Next we have number 4, Hezekiah Oaks. Hezekiah is being escorted by his parents, Aaron McKenna Oaks, and his sister Helen. This is Hezekiah's third year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he will be attending John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Hezekiah plans to attend Florida State University to major in sports medicine. His most memorable moment on the team was playing against each other in practice, especially when teammates would yell out the play, ISO. Ladies and gentlemen, number 4, Hezekiah Oaks. Next we have number 5, Colin Cleveland. Colin is being escorted by his parents, Corey and LaDonna Cleveland. This is Colin's third year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he will attend John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Colin plans to attend The Ohio State University and major in nursing. Ladies and gentlemen, number 5, Colin Cleveland. Next we have number 14, Taj Martin. Taj is being escorted by his grandparents, Desi Van and Felicia Ingram. This is Taj's second year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he will also attend John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Taj plans to attend the University of Kentucky, and at present he is undecided on his major. Taj's most memorable moment on the team is praying before each game. Ladies and gentlemen, number 14, Taj Martin. Next we have number 15, Jaden Sturgeon. Jaden is being escorted by his parents, Micah and Gracie Sturgeon. This is Jaden's first year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he will be at John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Jaden plans to attend the University of Oregon to major in business. Jaden's most memorable moment on the team was making his first three-pointer during a game. Ladies and gentlemen, number 15, Jaden Sturgeon. Next we have number 20, Caden Pruitt. Caden is being escorted by his parents, Carl and Jesse Pruitt. This is Caden's second year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he's going to be at John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Caden plans to attend the University of Kentucky, and at present he's undecided on a major. Caden's most memorable moment on the team was at the Fort Knox game when Coach Perry yelled, "Y'all don't know 33." Ladies and gentlemen, number 20, Caden Pruitt. Next we have number 21, Jonas Garrison. Jonas is being escorted by his parents, Paul and Betsy Garrison. This is Jonas' first year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he too will attend John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Jonas plans to attend the University of Kentucky to major in forensic science. Jonas' most memorable moment on the team was how hilariously funny it was when Paolo and Elijah argued with each other. He said there was no winner. Ladies and gentlemen, number 21, Jonas Garrison. Next we have number 24, Malachi Hall. Malachi is being escorted by his parents, Seneca and Brittany Hall. This is Malachi's third year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he will attend John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Malachi plans to attend Western Kentucky University, and at present he's undecided on a major. Malachi's most memorable moment was when he chased down a player and blocked his shot. Ladies and gentlemen, number 24, Malachi Hall. Next we have number 31, Marcus Rodriguez. Marcus is being escorted by his parents, Adrian and Hunter Branch. This is Marcus' first year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he will attend John Hardin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Marcus plans to attend the University of Alabama to major in military sciences and ultimately join the Marine Corps. Marcus' most memorable moment on the team was the very first huddle up before their very first game. Ladies and gentlemen, number 31, Marcus Rodriguez. Next we have number 33, Evan Prophet. Evan is being escorted by his parents, Anthony Staggs and Christian Prophet. And and his grandfather, James Skaggs. This is Evan's third year as a member of the Bulldog basketball team, and next year he will attend John Martin High School. Upon graduating from high school, Evan plans to attend the University of Kentucky to major in engineering. Evan's most memorable moment was when he moved up to play on the 7th grade team when he was a 6th grader. Ladies and gentlemen, number 33, Evan Prophet.
A really big group.
One more time for our 8th grade Bulldogs and Bulldog cheerleaders.